Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can install Ubuntu 20.04 in VMware Workstation. So how we can do that? Let's open the VMware Workstation. And here you can see the home page, create a new virtual machine, or also you can click on file and click on new virtual machine. So let's click new virtual machine, go with typical option. Okay, click next. And here I will install operating system later and click next. And here I have selected Linux and Ubuntu 64 bit. Okay, and click next. And here you can rename your Ubuntu. Okay, so I'll provide the version 20.04. Okay, and I'll provide the location. Okay, I'll change the location here, virtual VM, create a new Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, so click enter and okay, now you can see I have provided the location and click next. And you can maximize or minimize your disk space from here. The maximum disk space you can give anything you want, and minimum is 20 GB. So I'll go with 25 GB. Okay, store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, click on install virtual disk or in a single file. Okay, so store virtual disk in a single file, click next. I don't want multiple files, so click next. And here this is the summary. Okay, so click on customize hardware. In the customized hardware you can manage, you can customize your memory 8 GB, 6 GB, 16 GB. Okay, and in the processor you can assign the number of processor from here. Okay, and new CD DVD, here we provide the ISO image. If you do have ISO image, it's well and good, and if you don't have ISO image, you can download from the link in the description. You can you can download the image. Okay, from there. Okay, so click on browse. I provide the image 20.04 and open. And here in the net option I'll select the bridge. Okay, and close it. And why I select the bridge? Because you can see here connected directly to the physical network. Okay, so close it and now finish it. And now you can see I have a Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, 20.04. Okay, so let's turn on this machine and configure the installation steps. Okay, so turn on. Now you can see we have two options. Okay, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So let's go with install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu, and I'll go with the default language English US and continue. Okay, I'll go with the default options. Okay, click on next or continue. Okay, here you can see erase disk and install Ubuntu. So go with erase disk and install Ubuntu. So let's install now. Okay, continue. It asks me for the location. I'll go with Kolkata and continue. Raj. Okay, I provided the username, password, and login automatically. I'll check the login automatically and continue. Okay, so installation is complete and it asks for restart. Okay, so click restart now. Press enter. Okay, so you can see we have successfully installed Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.